Ano nga ba ang rawhide at safe ba itong ibigay as treats kay fur baby? Doc Aimee here. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Ang rawhide ay gawa sa balat ng pork or cattle na hinanda para maging dog chew. Compare sa dog treats, mas makapal ang cover nito, making it highly indigestible, causing intestinal blockage to our pets. May mga treats na makakatulong for training, prevention of destructive behavior, and nutrition boost. Let's also consider their age and medical history. Kapag senior na si fur baby, consult your veterinarian para malaman natin ang tamang treats for them. Make sure na binibigyan natin si fur baby ng treats in moderation. Let's aim for 5 to 10% of their calorie intake. As your vet, I highly recommend Petmara treats that offers nutritional value and are proven safe to consume as they meet APCO standards at BAI certified pa. Yun lang!